Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week, we're talking about expanding career opportunities for automotive technicians. Being an automotive technician offers a world of opportunities beyond the traditional wrench-turning role. As technology advances and vehicles become more sophisticated, the automotive industry is evolving, opening up diverse career paths for technicians. In this video, we will explore the exciting career opportunities available to automotive technicians beyond the workshop, showcasing the potential for professional growth and advancement in the field. Diagnostic specialist. With the increasing complexity of modern vehicles, the demand for diagnostic specialists is on the rise. As a diagnostic specialist, you would identify and troubleshoot intricate electrical and computer systems utilizing advanced diagnostic tools and software. This specialized role allows you to delve deeper into automotive diagnostics and become an expert in resolving complex technical issues. Technical trainer or instructor. If you have a passion for sharing knowledge and helping others, a career as a technical trainer or instructor could be an excellent fit. Share your expertise by teaching aspiring technicians at vocational schools, community colleges, or through manufacturer-sponsored training programs. By guiding and mentoring the next generation of automotive technicians, you can make a significant impact on the industry. Service advisor or service manager. Transitioning into a service advisor or service manager role allows you to utilize your technical knowledge while focusing on customer service and management. As a service advisor, you would be the liaison between customers and the repair shop, ensuring their needs are met and managing repair orders. A service manager oversees the entire service department, coordinating schedules, handling customer inquiries, and optimizing workflow. Parts specialist. A career as a parts specialist involves working closely with automotive parts suppliers, manufacturers, and repair shops. Your expertise in automotive systems and components allows you to provide accurate parts identification and recommendations to support efficient repairs. You would play a vital role in maintaining inventory, sourcing parts, and ensuring the availability of necessary components for repairs. Technical writer. If you have excellent communication skills and a knack for translating technical jargon into understandable language, consider a career as a technical writer. Technical writers create manuals, guides, and documentation for repair procedures, diagnostic processes, and vehicle systems. Your expertise would contribute to the dissemination of accurate and accessible information throughout the industry. Manufacturer representative or field service engineer. Joining a manufacturer's team as a representative or field service engineer offers opportunities to work closely with automotive manufacturers, dealerships, and repair shops. You would provide technical support, training, and assistance with troubleshooting and repairs. This role allows you to stay at the forefront of technological advancements and build strong relationships within the industry. Specialty technician. Specializing in a specific area of automotive repairs, such as transmissions, HVAC systems, or hybrid electric vehicles, opens up niche career opportunities. By becoming an expert in a specialized field, you can offer unique services and cater to specific market demand. Specialty technicians are sought after for their specialized knowledge and skills. As an automotive technician, your career potential extends far beyond the workshop. Explore alternative career paths, and you can broaden your horizons and achieve professional growth and fulfillment. Embrace the evolving automotive industry, embrace new technologies, and embrace the exciting opportunities that await you beyond the wrench. Your skills and expertise as an automotive technician can pave the way for a rewarding and diverse career. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.